You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the full name of this rather famous German mathematician from history, famous for a formula, an astronomer, the German pronunciation and how you can say it in English. In German, Carl Friedrich Gauss. In English, similarly, Carl Friedrich, you can replace the CH with an H, Friedrich. Some may say Friedrich, that's fine too. Gauss, because the sound from German for the CH doesn't exist. Carl Friedrich Gauss. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.